Hello guys, today I have got Redmi Buds 8 Lite and I'm going to show you how to fix the Bluetooth pairing issues. So, at first you need to perform a factory reset. Meantime, you can restart your phone, so turn it off, then turn it back on. But how to perform a factory reset? Here. You need to turn your earbuds upside down and here hold this button over here for 10 seconds until you see two long flashes on your LED light indicator. Now 1 and 2, this is what I meant. After this factory reset, everything should be working fine. If it doesn't work fine, pardon me, you need to try connecting your earbuds to a different phone. For example, your mother's phone, your daughter's phone, your brother's phone, doesn't matter. Just try connecting your earbuds to a different device. And if it doesn't work still with a different device, your earbuds are at fault. If you can connect your earbuds and use them freely on a different device, your private phone is at fault. But let's focus on our earbuds. If you still can't connect your earbuds to any device, like these are bricked, try charging them up to 100%. And I know that full charge should take you around 60 minutes, but try charging them a little bit longer, like for example 2 hours. Then try doing anything. If it doesn't work still, you need to contact device support because your earbuds are probably broken. Goodbye.